Hey there y'all, it's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, where I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you're here. Okay, look guys, see how easy it just came off? I literally just wiped it off. Where it was wet, this is gonna take no time at all. It's so fun and cute. I'm gonna just put this right here, guys. I'm just gonna put it right here on my microwave. I don't think I really want it in the middle. I think I want it offset, and I might even put it off. No, I'm gonna center it in the, I'm just gonna peel the back off of this stencil, guys. Super, super easy. I might just kind of get it a little bit unsticky. And I'm just gonna set it right here. Right here, and I don't know about you guys, but I eyeball everything. Makes my husband crazy. He would have probably measuring tapes out here trying to see how much space is between each thing. All right, so this is on here, and I love stenciling my mirror. It's just a blue, and it's just summery and different. It looks kind of like a mess, but I just need a little bit out of here. And normally, if it's cakey or too cakey, you could stir it up with a little spritz of water. But I think it's gonna be fine. You wanna pick a light color for your microwave because it's obviously a dark surface. And if you want it to show through, you're gonna have to have it be a bright color. So obviously, like a black wouldn't look good on here. A navy, a dark green, nothing like that will really show up. It needs to be optimally like a white or a yellow or a pink, or like this, a blue. So I think the light is making it look kind of neon blue, but it's not. It's a really pretty turquoise blue, kind of like, I don't know, like blue cotton candy. That's what I'm calling it, blue cotton candy. I'm sure it has a name, and I'll look at real quick and show you guys. And there's no rhyme or reason, guys. You just smear the chalk paste on. If you guys have seen me and other people do this before, it is the easiest thing in the world. I'm just offering you up a new idea of a place to put a stencil. This is the big reveal. And the great thing is, if you don't like it, you can start over. But I think we're gonna like it just fine. We're gonna like it just fine.